You know, ever since they came out with portable music devices like the Sony Walkman and things of that nature, I've been a big fan of music. The fact that you could always take your music with you wherever you went, whether it was on a train or at school or work, or wherever it was, your music always followed you. So you weren't stuck in a house or you weren't stuck in a car. At that point in time, I became a big fan of headphones, and I became a big fan of sound. And the way a phone sounded made me let me know whether I wanted to buy it or not. Then I noticed when I looked at YouTube a lot that a lot of people just be opening stuff up on YouTube and get a lot of crazy fanfare for it. So you know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start opening this crap up on YouTube. Mostly headphones, stuff that I already bought. Okay, I do not make any money for showing you the headphones that I have or anything like that. However, people want to send me stuff to open up for them, I got no problem with it. So here we go. My first unboxing for 2021. My first unboxing ever video coming right up. So we're just going to walk this over here. As you can tell, this is totally live. Okay, no special effects or anything like that. I'm just going to sit this selfie stick right down here so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. All right. 1 second. I got to turn my TV down so you can hear what I'm saying. Give me a second. Be right back. Democrats are going along with that because you saw they just passed that measure in the House a few moments ago. That is paving the way to get this. Okay. Sorry about that. I had to turn that off. So, like I said, today we're going to be unboxing my first unboxing. I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys watch this and share it with your friends and get the fanfare going. All right, cool. I'm going to be unboxing the Edifier. What's the model number on these things? The W830BT Bluetooth headphones, the Edifier. I've seen a lot of reviews on this on YouTube, so I went out on Amazon and got myself a pair. Like I said, okay, I'm not affiliate or anything like that. However, if you do want a pair, I'll leave the link below so you can get yourself a pair from Amazon. Once again, I don't get paid for it, but if there's anybody out there, like any headphone manufacturers that want me to try their stuff out, get at me. I got no problem because I love headphones. Just love them. I DJ and sound is very important to me, but you know, let's open these up and see what's going on. Okay, hold on 1 second. I'm going to turn this down so you can see that I am opening it up. Okay. Actually, let me see if I can do this. As you can tell, this is my first video, so yeah. All right, I'm just going to hold this up and put this down like this so you can see me opening this up, okay? This is the box it comes in. It's still wrapped. Okay, it's a nice little box. Open this up real quick with the pair of scissors I got here. Give me a minute. Get this opened up. This plastic is really tight. All right, here we go. Maybe not. Okay, 1 second. Try to get some headway on this. Okay, there we go. Get right into that plastic, rip that stuff right off. Now, I don't know what y'all feel about this, but I enjoy opening stuff up, right? So it's kind of like a thing with me. And it's kind of like a wow factor for me whenever I get something that's really nicely packaged. And so far, this looks like it is. Okay? Now, open this thing up real quick here. Let me see how to do this. Open this up. Okay, so just go like this with it. All right. As you can see, we're opening this box up, okay? It's opened up, and it comes, oh wow, look at this. Give it this really nice case. That's pretty high quality. This is great for traveling. So you like if you got a knapsack, you want to throw your headphones in, you don't want to mess them up. This is just brand new case. You just saw me open this up. And in the box, we have instructions in, it looks like, I don't know what that is, Chinese, whatever. It's a warranty. It's got a whole bunch of other stuff in here. It says to, I guess this is where you register your headphones, website for support, all kinds of stuff going here. Register. You register your headphones. I guess you get some kind of warranty with it. I got the protection plan with this over Amazon, so if anything happens, I got no problem with it. All right. Another piece of paper. Blah, 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 blah. Regulatory compliance. Nobody reads that. And another book that just like it's headphone instructions, tells you where the buttons are and everything, how to operate them. Okay, I'll put that right back in here real quick. Get down to the nitty gritty. Okay, nice box. It's got some nice foam for padding and everything, I guess for shipping. You don't care about that, do you? Okay, so we're gonna open this up right now. See if I can do this with me in the picture now. All right. Okay, so we're gonna open this up right now. Okay, I'm just gonna put the camera down because you won't be able to see it. Open this bad boy up. Zippers are pretty good quality, give them that. Now I only paid like, I think I paid like 65 bucks for these. And you can probably get them refurbished cheaper. But for 65 bucks, we're already out the door. I'm getting a nice experience taking it out the box. Opening this up and look at that. Ooh. Ah. Look at that. You see that? That's class right there. That is class. And what's this? In this little pouch right here, they give you, okay, this looks like, whatchamacallit. It's a Bluetooth headphone set, but you can only, but you can also use a wire with it, and this is the wire you would attach to your listening device, your phone or iPad or, you know, a tablet, whatever, your computer, whatever you want to listen to, wired. In case the battery runs low, you can use this. It doesn't take any battery, so use it with the wire. And this is for the charging port. Okay, it looks like it's a regular micro charger. Really wish they came out with the C port charger, but you know what? For the price, I don't care. It's just that everybody's going with the C port charger, but these are still pretty common anyway. So, okay, put this back in here. Now you notice the case itself. It's got a Velcro pouch. It actually has two pouches. I don't know if you can see that. It's got two Velcro pouches. This little one down here, you can put stuff in, and this big one up here. So that's pretty cool for storage and stuff like that. Like I said, the case, this is a pretty nice case. All right, so the headphones, as you can see, they're made of plastic, but that's okay. They look like they're really made of strong quality stuff, good quality stuff. The ear pads are very comfortable. They're very soft. Headband on top is pretty soft too. Let's see how they sound. I gotta figure out how to turn these things on. Let's see now. I guess it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see here now. DC in. Okay. Well, if you look at the headphones, here's the jack for the wires right there. Here's where you would charge it. I guess this is where you charge it. Yeah, that's the charging port right there. Just cover it back up. Okay. So that's all that's on this. This is the, I think this is the left-hand side one. Which one is this? This is the, yeah, this is the left-hand side. This one with the charger port and the cover, that's the left-hand side. The right-hand side is the one with the microphone, if you want to make phone calls with it and stuff like that. There's a microphone right here, and the controls looks pretty self-explanatory. This looks like the power button, the up and the down, the up volume and the down volume. For the volume buttons are on the top and the bottom. The power button's in the middle, and turn it on. Probably got to charge it. I don't know if it's on or not yet. So basically, let me just show you something else. I'm going to probably have to do another review of these to tell you how they sound. And I'll do that in a few minutes. Right after this video, I'll make another one probably. But let's see if they're comfortable or not. Let's see here now. Okay, put this on the left-hand side, the right-hand side. Wow. They're pretty comfortable. And I got my glasses on. As you can see, they go right around my ears. I can move them around. See? My ear goes right inside there. They don't like sit on top of my ears or press down on my glasses or nothing like that. So they feel comfortable. My bald head is comfortable right here with this little padding right there. Not bad. Not bad at all. And it kind of cancels the noise out too. Because I don't hear nothing. I mean, I hear myself talking and everything, but it blocks some of the sound out. I gotta see if it's totally noise canceling once I charge it up and everything. And I want to see how these bad boys sound. But so far, they're pretty comfortable. Okay, put them around your neck. It looks like, oh, let's see something here. Okay, they're adjustable. Made with a nice strong metal band there. Looks like they did some good work on these. I mean, for the price I paid for these ain't bad. They're constructed pretty well. Okay, the only thing I wish they did, well, I guess, you know, like I'll be wearing them like this, with the left on the right, on the right on the left, is because I really don't care too much for the cups facing out, but you know what? That's minor. I can live with that. I can live with that. But yeah, man, so far, not bad. They're comfortable. So I'm going to come back with my second part on the Edifier W830BTs to let you know how they sound. But that was the unboxing, okay? Once again, you get this nice case, solid, crush proof, okay? Nothing's gonna happen to your headphones in these. I've got a couple of these cases from other headphones that I have. Maybe I'll do a review on those as well. I got mad headphones. It's like a hobby with me. I'll do reviews on those later on. But this right here, nice strong case. Nothing gonna happen to your headphones in there. You can pack that around your bag and get tossed around, and nothing's gonna happen to them. So far, so good. All right, so this is Yusuf Diab. You can call me the headphone guy, and I'll be back with a review of how these things sound after I charge them up. All right, take care.